everybody, today I'm going to be doing a wig install, and this wig is from Alipearl. It's a pretty pink bag. But today's wig, we have a 22 long, we got a 22-inch kinky curly V-part wig. Now, I've been seeing the V-part wigs all over my For You page on TikTok. And honestly, y'all, I'm a little scared. Like, I love it with leave out, but I can't do leave out, so I'm a little scared. But this is what she looks like. Very long, very long. The hair is really soft. You can see I'm running my hands through it. Really soft and no shedding so far. No shedding, which is really good. So this is what the V part looks like. I'll have to cut that, so you guys will see that in a second, but look. Okay, and then this is the cap construction. We have all these little clip-in combs, kind of like when you wear clip-ins. If you ever worn clip-ins before, you have these combs that snap in and out. And then you got, oh, you even got two combs on the side, which is really good. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 5 combs right here, and you even have a band, which is really, I love these bands so much. They save, like, if you don't like using combs, these bands are a lifesaver. They're really good. And then you have a comb in the back, and then you also have adjustable straps. So this wig has a lot of support, so make sure your stuff don't get snatched or fly off. And inside this bag that they give you, it comes with a bunch of stuff. It comes with a wig cap. I think it's 2 in here. Yes, 2 wig caps. They give you an edge brush. Cool. They give you a Alipearl, kind of like a scarf. Then they give you this band, which you can put when you do your edges, when you have lace or just your regular edges. Then they give you some lashes, and then just an extra band if you would like to sew that on the back of your wig or any wig you want to. I have to cut this part right here. Have to cut that part so it can be a V. Ooh. All right. So now, this is what it looks like. So this is how it will lay on your head. I am so scared, just a little bit, because I never did a V-part wig before, ever. I'm scared and excited at the same time. So my hair, my hair is a mess. Like I said, this is why I can't do leave out. I cut my hair, so I obviously cannot do leave out with this. Like, there's no way leave out is being done. But I even expressed that concern to the wig company, but they was like, oh, it's fine, you can do no leave out. So we will see how true that is. Just spray I'm prepping my hair. Just spray my hair with a little water, just to get it a little soft. You know what I mean? Oh man, my hair, it's crazy. All right, and then, so I'm just gonna make a middle part. I'm just gonna go right down the middle here. Let's see. So I have my middle part right here. I'm just gonna add some gel just to slick it down. Some got to be glue, just so it can like stay down, you know. I'm gonna take my handy dandy hard brush. Just do this. So obviously with this wig, you really can't wear a wig cap. So yeah, all right. So I just wanted to get it slicked down just a tiny bit. Undo all these clips. They just kind of pop out, which I really love. Super cute. Oh, it even has one in the middle. All right. So I undid all the clips. I'm just gonna put it on my head like this. And let's see. Oh, Okay, so I'm gonna get up close here. So I'm just gonna put one comb right here, like that. Wait, it's too far up. All right. This is what the top looks like. I think I need to bring it closer to the part. All right, so I got the wig on and it's looking like that, which is not really flattering. Like I said, the wig company told me I can do this with no leave out, so we will see. I'm not really seeing how to cover up this track, but we will see. Like, I'm not really seeing it, but we will see. So I've seen people do this, like kind of pull out their hair. Y'all, I don't know. I'm gonna be honest as I can be, obviously. If you have leave out, this would be perfect for you, like I said, but I can't do leave out. So I'm just a little, you know, struggling here a bit. I'm gonna just try leave out. I'm gonna try leave out as best as I could. I'm gonna take the flat iron, you know, flat iron my hair a little, because that other method was not working at all. So I don't really know what the wig company was talking about when they said I could do no leave out, but hey, they had a miracle and it did not work. So I got a little leave out here. Like I said, I was going to do. I'm gonna take my flat irons. I don't remember the last time I even attempted to flat out iron my hair. You guys, I cannot remember the last time. But in the meantime, while that flat iron heats up, like I said, if you have little hair like me, have a little fro like me, you can try to make it work without leave out, but it's pretty hard, you know, because these are meant for leave outs. So, but it's cute though, you know, like I said, the hair is really soft, it's really long, 22 inches on me, almost goes to my butt. Yeah, and like I said, if you don't like lace or anything, then this is obviously perfect for you, because there's no lace involved at all. All right, let's see if this, all right, it's heated up. Now let's see. I'm kind of scared since I like had gel in my hair and everything, but whatever. Take some of this mousse and see if I can slick it down a bit, like just a little bit, see if that will work. All right, okay, I'm gonna take my brush and just try to blend it in more. Okay. I'm gonna take a bobby pin now, just put it right here. That's cute. A little bobby pin look. That's really cute. This is the best I could do with what I have. Like, it doesn't look too bad. I said this is the best that I can do. So I'm gonna see how this takes heat, the actual hair, how well it takes heat. Oh, very soft. Very soft. It takes heat really well. Oh, I like it. I kind of like it poofy though. It's kind of cute. I like it more in its poofier state. This is the wig. It's really cute. Like I said, if you have longer leave out, please get this. It will look so much better and it would actually act right and do right. But since my leave out is really short, you know, I tried my best. But this is really all I can do. But here it is. V part, 22 inches from Alipearl. It's really cute. I feel like a lion. It's really cute and the wig stays on pretty well. Yeah, everything about this wig will be linked in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Please go check out this hair, you guys. It's really cute, very soft. Like, I already love it. It's really soft. And like I said, if you have a kinky curly texture, this will blend in perfect. Like, if my hair was just a tad bit longer, it would have done so well. But I feel like it blends in pretty well, even if my hair is short. Like, it just needs to be a tad bit longer. Like, comment, subscribe. Everything about this wig will be linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.